Hello students, my name is Amit Kumar. Today's topic is ether. The substitution of a hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon, it may be aliphatic or aromatic, by an alkoxy or aryloxy group yields ether. For example, removal of one hydrogen atom from aliphatic hydrocarbon by alkoxy group to form ether. In second example, removal of one hydrogen atom from aromatic hydrocarbon by alkoxy group to form ether. For example, dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether is the example of ether. Next point, classification of ether. We are classified the ether into two groups. First is the simple or symmetrical ether, and second is the unsymmetrical ether. First, symmetrical ether or simple ether. Same alkyl or aryl groups are attached to the oxygen atom are called symmetrical ether. For example, diethyl ether. In diethyl ether, the same alkyl group, that is ethyl group, are attached to the same oxygen atom. So this is the example of symmetrical ether. The second example, dimethyl ether. In dimethyl ether, same alkyl group, that is methyl group, are attached to the oxygen atom. Second, unsymmetrical ethers. Different alkyl or aryl groups are attached to the oxygen atom are called unsymmetrical ethers. For example, methylphenyl ether. In this example, oxygen atom attached to the two different groups. First is the aryl group and second is the alkyl group. So this is the example of unsymmetrical ether. The second example of unsymmetrical ether is ethyl methyl ether. In this example, oxygen atom is attached with two different alkyl groups. First is the ethyl group and second is the methyl group. So this is the example of unsymmetrical ether. Next point, preparation of ether. First, by the dehydration of alcohols. Alcohols undergo dehydration in the presence of protic solvent like H2SO4 or S3PO4. Formation of the reaction product, alkene or ether, depends upon the reaction conditions. For example, ethanol is dehydrated to ethoxyethane at 413 Kelvin in the presence of sulfuric acid. For example, ethanol undergo dehydration in the presence of concentrate H2SO4 at a temperature 413 Kelvin to gives ethoxyethane and water. At 443 Kelvin, ethene is the main product. For example, ethanol undergo dehydration in the presence of H2SO4, but the temperature is 443 Kelvin. Ethene is formed. The formation of ether is a nucleophilic bimolecular reaction, that is SN2 reaction. This is the mechanism of dehydration of ethanol in the presence of protic solvent. at a temperature 413 Kelvin. The first step of this mechanism is protonation of alcohol. Ethanol undergo protonation to give protonated alcohol. And in the second step, nucleophilic attack by the unprotonated alcohol molecule on protonated alcohol molecule. For example, nucleophilic attack by the unprotonated alcohol, that is second molecule of ethanol, on protonated alcohol to form protonated ethoxyethane. In step third, loss of proton to form ethoxyethane. For example, removal of proton from protonated ethoxyethane to form ethoxyethane. Second method for the preparation of ether is the Williamson synthesis. This is the one of the best and important laboratory method for the preparation of symmetrical and unsymmetrical ether. In this method, an alkyl halide is allowed to react with sodium alkoxide. The general reaction is given. The alkyl halide is react with sodium alkoxide to form ether. Ether containing substituted alkyl group, that is secondary or tertiary, may be prepared by this method. This reaction involves SN2 attack of an alkoxide ion on primary alkyl halide. For example, sodium alkoxide react with primary alkyl halide to form ether. Better results are obtained if alkyl halide is primary. For example, tertiary alkyl halide, that is 2-bromo-2-methyl propane, react with sodium methoxide to form alkene, that is 2-methyl propene and methanol. In this reaction, ether is not obtained because we use tertiary alkyl halide instead of primary alkyl halide. So, better results are obtained if the alkyl halide is primary. In the case of secondary and tertiary alkyl halide, due to the steric hindrance, elimination competes over substitution and alkene are formed. Phenol are also converted to ether by this method. For example, phenol is react with aqueous sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide, and sodium phenoxide is further react with alkyl halide to form ether. Third method for the preparation of ether is reaction of alkyl halide with dry silver oxide. For example, alkyl halide, that is bromoethane, is react with dry silver oxide to form ether, that is diethyl ether. The fourth method for the preparation of ether is from Grignard reagent. When chloromethoxymethane is react with Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether to form ether, that is ethyl methyl ether. Physical properties of ether. Boiling point of ethers are much lower than the boiling point of alcohols. The large difference in boiling point of alcohols and ethers is due to the presence of hydrogen bonding in alcohols. The next point is chemical reaction. Ethers are least reactive of the functional groups. The cleavage of carbon-oxygen bond in ethers takes place under drastic conditions with excess of hydrogen halide. The reaction of dialkyl ether gives two alkyl halide molecule. For example, ether react with hydrogen halide at a temperature 373 Kelvin to gives alcohol and alkyl halide. And this alcohol is further react with hydrogen halide to form alkyl halide and water. For example, diethyl ether is react with hydrogen iodide at a temperature 373 Kelvin to form ethanol and ethyl iodide. And this ethanol is further react with second molecule of hydrogen iodide at a temperature 373 Kelvin to form second molecule of ethyl iodide. It can be explained as when diethyl ether is react with two molecule of hydrogen iodide at a temperature 373 Kelvin to form two molecule of ethyl iodide. Alkyl aryl ether are cleaved at alkyl oxygen bond due to the more stable aryl oxygen bond. For example, alkyl aryl ether are react with hydrogen halide to form phenol and alkyl halide. Next point is electrophilic substitution reaction. Alkoxy group is the ortho-para directing and activate the aromatic ring toward the electrophilic substitution and direct the incoming electrophile at ortho and para position. Because of the negative charge at ortho and para position indicates the more electron density at these position. This is the resonating structure of alkyl aryl ether. In the resonating structure of alkyl aryl ether, the negative charge at ortho and para position, which indicates that the more electron density at ortho and para position. Halogenation is the first example of electrophilic substitution reaction. When anisole is react with bromine in ethanoic acid to form a mixture of para-bromoanisole and ortho-bromoanisole, and para-bromoanisole is the major product. The second electrophilic substitution reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. When anisole is react with alkyl halide, that is methyl chloride, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to gives a mixture of para-methoxytoluene and ortho-methoxytoluene. Para-methoxytoluene is the major product, and this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. And when anisole is react with acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to gives a mixture of para-methoxyacetophenone and ortho-methoxyacetophenone. Para-methoxyacetophenone is the major product, and this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts acetylation. Nitration. When anisole is react with concentrate HNO3 in the presence of H2SO4 to gives a mixture of para-nitroanisole and ortho-nitroanisole.